If you remember last year, our bosses said we needed to take some new pictures, and so the person that they brought in advising us said Sam and I needed to grow some facial hair so we could look like real men.
So Murphy did it in 3 days.
Yeah, Sam did in 3 months.
Yeah.
Right, and I mean, producer David is always rocking the beard and mustache, but Sam got rid of his, but I liked mine, and I started getting like lots of compliments, and so now I'm looking, I'm like, I don't know that I want to get rid of it right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of become part, but Sam didn't like it at first. Sam felt
it's filled in a little more now, so it looks better. I don't know what it is. Yeah, Murphy's is.
Yeah, it does look better. It looks nice.
There was a while there where it was like a splotch here and a splotch there where a hole was missing or I don't know what, but it's like it's filled in now.
Well, that was human error.
Oh,
that was me and the trimmers, getting a little crazy.
I was just about to ask, is that what you do? You put some sort of a blade on it and it buzzes it?
Yeah. Yes, I have a trimmer kit.
He's got the George Michael grooming kit.
Right, with all of the attachments and so forth.
I just realized you're the only one without facial hair, Sam. Well, of the
Emily,
men.
you
Of the
don't
men.
have
Of the men. Of the men.
You and
That's a
Jody,
nice mustache, Emily.
Gross.